It's your job to figure out what we're going to build. And when you describe it in enough clarity, then people can figure out how to make every sentence come true. If you and I were to pretend that we hopped into the DeLorean car with Michael J. Fox and we're going to travel out to December 31st, 2024, and we're going to describe what we see. What are the customers writing about your business? What are they writing about in their reviews? How are they interacting with each other? What's happening in your community? What are your employees saying? What are your employees writing on Indeed and Glassdoor? How are your employees showing up every day? How are they engaging with each other over Slack? What's your marketing team like? What's your marketing messaging like? What's your website look and feel like? Again, don't worry about how all this is going to come true. Just dream about each section and write down 3 or 4 points about each area of your business. Talk about your leadership team and your metrics and your dashboards. So if I was building a home, like building a house, I don't know how to do electrical. I don't know how to do plumbing, but I can describe what I'd want my dream home to look like. I could describe the windows and the view and the beautiful flooring and the cabinetry. I could see the lighting and I could imagine my kids playing and my friends hanging out and parties. And I could visualize the light coming into my room in the morning. Again, I don't know how to build the home. Entrepreneurs tend to get blocked trying to figure out, how am I going to do that? It's not your job to figure out how to grow it. It's your job to figure out what we're going to build. And when you describe it in enough clarity, then people can figure out how to make every sentence come true. So I think we more often get blocked because we start worrying about the plan to make every sentence come true, instead of just describing what it's going to look like and figuring out the plan later.
Please share away. Thank you so much. Stay inspired to evolve.